Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you when will CapCut be back in App Store, what you need to know. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, as of January 22, 2025, CapCut, the video editing app owned by ByteDance, remains unavailable for download in the US App Stores, including Apple's App Store and Google Play Store. This follows the enforcement of the Protecting Americans for Foreign Adversary Control Applications Act, which took effect on January 19, 2025. The act mandates that ByteDance divest its US operations due to national security concerns. President Trump issued an executive order granting a 75-day extension for ByteDance to comply with the divestiture requirement. Despite the extension, CapCut remains absent from the US App Stores. Apple and Google are cautious, as non-compliance could result in substantial fines, potentially $5,000 per user, accumulating to significant amounts. Legal experts are divided on whether the executive order provides sufficient protection for app stores to restore CapCut. Some argue it offers a safe harbor similar to the no action letter from the IRS, while others believe that certain sections of the order still pose liability. As a result, Apple and Google are currently refraining from re-adding CapCut to their platforms. So these are a couple of things that you should need to know, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.